Finding a reliable and affordable house cleaner can be a daunting task. With so many options available, it can be hard to know where to start. But fortunately, there are several steps you can take to find local affordable house cleaners in your area. Now, by doing research, setting a budget, and getting referrals from friends and family, you can find a trusted house cleaner to keep your home clean and organized. House cleaning services provide an invaluable service to busy individuals and families who don't have the time or energy to keep their homes clean and tidy. These services provide a wide range of services, from basic dusting and vacuuming to more intensive deep cleaning tasks. Depending on the size of the home and the amount of work required, house cleaning services can be tailored to suit individual needs. The most basic of services will involve thoroughly cleaning all areas of the home, including kitchen and bathrooms, as well as vacuuming carpets and furniture. More intensive services may include window cleaning, polishing hardwood floors, and detailed dusting. In addition to providing cleanliness and organization in the home, these services can also help to improve the overall health of the family by eliminating dust and dirt that can accumulate and cause allergies. Hiring a local house cleaner can provide many benefits for busy homeowners who don't have the time or energy to clean their own homes. Local house cleaners are usually familiar with the area and can provide services tailored to the local climate and environment. In addition, local house cleaners may offer better rates than non-local services and can often provide extra services, such as pet care and window washing. Local cleaners are also more likely to be available for emergency or last-minute cleanings and are usually more familiar with local laws and regulations regarding hiring workers. Convenience is one of the main factors to consider when looking for local affordable house cleaners. Convenience is important because it affects the ease and speed of your hiring process. For example, if the house cleaners are located close to your home or office, this can make it much easier to get them in quickly and without any hassle. Furthermore, having the house cleaners available at times that fit your schedule can be a great convenience, as it allows you to have the cleaning done when it's most convenient for you. Finally, researching the house cleaner's qualifications and certifications can help ensure that you're getting a reliable, trustworthy service that is both convenient and affordable. Quality assurance is an important step in finding a reliable and affordable local house cleaner. Quality assurance is a process of verifying that the service being provided meet the standards of quality set by the customer. Quality assurance should involve a review of the services being provided, the safety and health regulations being followed, the quality of the materials being used, and the overall customer experience. Quality assurance should also include a review of the certification and training of the house cleaners, as well as a review of the cleaning products used. Quality assurance should also involve regular inspections of the home to ensure that the cleaning services are being done properly and that the customer is satisfied with the results. Cost savings is an important factor when looking for local affordable house cleaners. Many companies offer discounts and promotions when you book multiple cleaning services, so it is important to consider these when looking to save money. Additionally, you can look for discounts on services or materials provided by the house cleaners, such as discounts on cleaning products or discounts on the cost of materials used for the job. By taking the time to compare prices, you can save money on your house cleaning services and ensure you're getting the services you need at a price you can afford. When looking for a house cleaner, it's important to make sure you choose the right one for the job. Here are some tips for choosing the right house cleaner. 1. Make sure the house cleaner is insured and bonded. This protects you from any liability that may arise from the cleaner's work. It's also important to ensure that the house cleaner is experienced in the type of work you need done. Ask for references and check them out thoroughly. 2. Make sure the house cleaner provides a list of services they can offer and is willing to customize their services to your needs. It's important to know exactly what is included in the service and what you will be paying for. 3. Make sure to get quotes from multiple cleaners. Compare the quotes to make sure that you are getting a fair price for your services you need. And 4. Make sure to discuss your expectations with the cleaner. You want to make sure that the cleaner understands your needs and is willing to provide the services you expect. Getting references is one of the best ways to find local available house cleaners. This involves asking friends, family, and colleagues for recommendations. Be sure to ask for details about the services they received, cost, and how satisfied they were with the job. Additionally, you can check online reviews to see what other people are saying about various local house cleaning services. Conducting a background check on local affordable house cleaners is a great way to ensure you're hiring a reputable and reliable person for the job. This process can include verifying an individual's identity, employment history, criminal records, and credit history. Additionally, it is important to research the company's reputation and ensure that the person has the necessary certifications to provide the services you require. Finally, you should also check to make sure the individual is insured and bonded to protect you in case of any damages or accidents that may occur. We can supply you with all the information you need to make an informed decision and to get your house or business cleaned. Call us now